Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start using travel points with American Express, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start using travel points with American Express, begin by applying for an American Express card that offers travel rewards. Visit the American Express website to explore your options. Look for cards that earn membership rewards points or travel-focused rewards. Consider factors such as annual fees, welcome bonuses, and point multipliers for specific categories like travel or dining. Once you receive your card, familiarize yourself with the membership rewards program. Create an online account to track your points balance and activity conveniently. Begin using your card for everyday purchases to accumulate points. Remember to pay your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. Take advantage of bonus point opportunities, such as special offers or promotions. Explore the American Express travel portal for booking flights and hotels using your points. Learn about transfer partners, which are airlines and hotel programs where you can transfer your membership rewards points. Research the best transfer ratios to maximize the value of your points. Stay updated on any promotional offers from transfer partners that might enhance your points value. Sign up for newsletters or alerts from American Express to stay informed about changes and opportunities. Once you have enough points, begin planning your travel to make the most of your rewards. Be aware of blackout dates and flight availability when booking travel. Consider using points for upgrades or additional perks that enhance your travel experience. Finally, enjoy your travels and the benefits that come from using your American Express travel points effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.